Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about one of the important topics in data mining, that is data reduction. Now I want to discuss about data reduction. So in this video you are going to learn data reduction, definition of data reduction and example of data reduction and simple techniques of data reduction. Now see the simple definition of data reduction. So data reduction is a process of compressing massive volume of data into limited data set without sacrificing data integrity. So to better understanding about this definition, so I have a small example. So by using this example, you will get the idea about data reduction. So definition clearly. So now see simple example of data reduction. So now, I have a university databases. So in that university databases, there is a large amount of data is available. So in that large databases, I have a student table. So in student table, there are n number of records. Now I want to know the strength of the student in university databases year wise. So now, what I want to do is we can calculate the, or else we know the total strength semester wise. So in the year 1998, so in the first semester, so 580 is the total strength. So in the same year, that is 1998, so second semester 800 students are available. So next one is in the year 1999. So in the first semester 825 students, in the second semester so 830 students. So in the year 2000, so in the first semester 800 students, at the same time same year second semester also 800 students are available. So now if you want to know the semester wise students, so these data sets are really useful. So now I want to know the total strength in year wise. So here I given, so year, semester 1 and semester 2. So at the same time I want to know the, so year wise data. So what I want to do is, so if you want to know the year wise total strength, so again you have to sum the, so year wise, that is first semester and second semester. So now you can sum the total strength year wise like this. So now I want to do one thing. I want to compress the data by using some aggregate operators. So that is minimum, maximum, average, count and count star. So in 1998 I want to calculate the total strength. So 1999 total strength, 2000 total strength. So now instead of using these three data sets, just I want to compress these three data sets. I want to convert it into only one data sets. So that is the year. So that is called data reduction actually. So now year 1999. So what is the total strength here? 1650. So 1999. So what is the total strength? 825 plus 830. So that is 1655. So in the year 2000, total strength is 1600. So now, so instead of using three data sets, just I want to convert these three data sets into one data set. So this is called data reduction. So that's the reason. So first definition of data reduction is a process of compressing massive volume of data into limited data set without sacrificing data integrity. So now here three data sets. Now here, so just I converted three data sets into one data sets. Did I lose any data here? No, right? So now this kind of information, this kind of technique is called data reduction. Hope you understand the concept of data reduction. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Please do subscribe, share.